Remember Costco's combo pizza, that glorious overload of pepperoni, sausage, green peppers, mushrooms, and onions, all piled on one massive 18-inch pie? If you've walked into a Costco lately, you may have noticed it's gone, vanished. And for thousands of loyal fans, it wasn't just disappointing. It felt personal. No warning, no farewell, just gone. 4 years later, the mystery still burns hotter than a fresh slice. So what happened to the combo pizza? Was it COVID, cost issues, or did Costco just say goodbye for good? In early 2020, Costco quietly removed the combo pizza from its U.S. food court menu. No press release, no fanfare, just gone. Likely around April 2020, as food courts simplified operations during COVID-19 and prioritized high-turnover items like cheese and pepperoni pizza. Despite its fandom, Costco said it was about efficiency. Combo required extra toppings, more prep, and higher spoilage. Speed didn't fit the Costco formula. Over 18,000 people signed a change.org petition demanding its return. Reddit exploded. One user even wrote, "Combo pizza was 30% of why I renewed my membership." It wasn't nostalgia. It was loyalty at stake. Despite its popularity, combo was a logistics headache. Vegetables needed fresh prep and testing, even reportedly E. coli worries, and added prep time slowed service. Costco values speed, consistency, and minimal waste. Combo checked none of those boxes. In Reddit threads, a former food court worker confirmed Combo was the least sold pizza at many locations. Even fans admitted, if it had sold more, maybe it'd still be around. In early 2024, Costco began selling a take-and-bake combo pizza in deli sections in test markets like Hawaii and Oregon, but priced at about $16.99 versus $9.95 for the original, and requiring home baking. Not quite the nostalgic walkout slice fans wanted. Then in 2025, Costco debuted the Combo Calzone, a $6.99 folded version stuffed with the same toppings. Fans were divided. Some called it a clever workaround. Others said it felt like overcooked, underwhelming consolation food. If you're missing the real deal, there's hope. Abroad. The original combo pizza remains on food courts in Costco Japan and parts of Korea and Taiwan. The hot slice lives there. In the US, only the stripped-down menu persists. Cheese, pepperoni, chicken bake, hot dog and soda, and now maybe the combo calzone. Costco thinks in scale, not excitement. Cheaper toppings, streamlined prep, those keep lines moving and prices low. Even with thousands of petitioners, if an item complicates operations or slows service, Costco won't bring it back. Case in point, the Polish dog and churro had cult followings, but still got axed. Let me know. Did you try the combo calzone? Does it do justice to the original? Do you think the iconic slice will ever return?